without favor or affection, malice or ill will, that I will at all times do my uttermost to preserve the peace and prevent offenses against the peace, that while I shall continue to hold the said office to the best of my skill and knowledge, discharge all the duties thereof faithfully according to law, and will subject myself to the Constitution or acts, orders, and regulations now or in the future relating to my service in the said task force, and that I will discharge all duties according to law without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.